A lot of Kumawood actors and actresses and Kumawood stars are reacted to their very own Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni wono. Na Medanyanko say Sisiano, the family of Bishop Bernard Nyarko, they are coming out to speak on the matter. I've seen an interview with and America said it was a visit. Some stars, Saline Kumu and Kwapiamo. Wamo eversity Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni opinion what church and semu they see say omo visiting Wakra and no church and semu trauma. I've also seen an interview Rashad, shout out to you Rashad of GH page wamo Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni fie ewo Kumase and also Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni nua ene ne wafa semu akasa ene ne nanfo form akasa obehun say abreho Akawobia. I've also heard from Tracy Boache how she got to here. Onumpo de was say on the Ghana for na mo abrochi na to de dia mumpo mutie ana munya news ni kra ejayen. Nti Ghana ni bia wo abrochi e na tre say wo frɛ wo no Tracy Boache no e no tre ne say yesi bishop ewu ansa na Tracy Boache no wonim obi a woni ne ye adwuma asa nipa ko no wo one bishop enete. And our friend Nipakono and Nipakono confirm me, Nanipakuni soon, and our no confirm me. And Sanatry Boache cry, Fred Zion Felix, Trainer says Zion, way, and AC. Now, a lot of people are speaking. I have videos of Messi Asiedu. She was really crying. I'll play the audio for you. Vivian Jill, and also no soon, Enye Sunketwa, and also I'll play it for you. And then we'll see a couple more of the Kumawood stars how they are reacting to Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni wono. Would see me preachings ni be the things he did later on and in sense someone now Bishop Bernard Nyarko Yobia, he's a very private person. He likes his privacy a lot. And then I understand him because personally means so sana mete. Inti utie family no de no more cancer na Bishop Bernard Nyarko what say intia na yare no into me mba bon intia na wo bia embesra no one penny ma wo bia embesra no. Personally, that's how I also am. Open the privacy into why yare no utie asemia ne papa ne bra penyi ekan ya yesi embra wo yare a wo won dem kra no sebe to de bi na ne ma me kra ba insider otumi trene ma me se dabi I want to be alone. Leave me alone. Ati ase. Wono ne bra kra efrena no one peke because he took his privacy very serious. So omwa na wo mo kan kuma utfa no mo kan enye maame no enye say no enye maame no ne fault. It is not the woman's fault. No, I just want you guys to understand that this is what he wanted. But you see nipa won ade ba kwa me pese ye ni na yesua Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni wo ni mu eni Bishop Bernard Nyarko wo awewu ubisa Kumawood actress ana actor bia na Kumawood star bia na obi a wonim ne bia na wo mu di areho esu na so ni na echi no de ye omo kan ene say but yende because bishop mo yenim be bia wo kọ asema wo bia aka no Salinko asema wo no so kan no say ne bishop e free but at least womu ni bishop biano at least de say bishop oko osro ahememu because the way he was preaching to them, some things he didn't believe in, some things he did obi agia to say at least wo fa Yesu Christo sene say wo bia wo je ne kra. So a lot of people, even though they cry and things, what they say at the end and no we should all learn from this. Baby amesramo say the story bad. You people should like, and yes, say you people cry. Yeni na we should all yeni aye can be yeni aye nsia. Ebi mo wo mu wa unse da nyansempa bi nka inform ho and the Bishop Bernard Nyarko free mu hwe ensem a eba nsempa nkrofo kan the way people into wo wi asemu na obobra pa sa na ete. Eye sa na sebe ujamba kra ewechi a nkrofo papa wa ye da nti no nkrofo to me hwe womba ema. Our condolences to his family and Nembanen so I today Zion Felix posted a picture of Bishop Benanyako and Nembaba Mienu. I don't know whether Nembaba Mienu or Omone Nembanina. I don't know whether he has other children, but I saw it and I was like, wow, Charlie, very serious, because one over setting wo Kumasi say Nebaba ko onumpo de wentumi empie wosi wo mpie emba enyomo mbekasa wentumi empie enomo amba mbekasa. So let's just go and take some reactions, and very sad the way the celebrities reacted to Bishop Benanyako's death. Very, very sad.
Minister matrasi Bishop. Minister matrasi whatever was a mama with them. Minister matrasi, Minister matrasi, Minister matrasi, young go warrior. Minister matrasi. Minister matrasi, Bishop. Minister matrasi.
Now, we was say me churchim. On say earlier on, video bi me ye me bo ya double nisio no, ya double no usu no. Na obi wo ho a won te ase se ne na ya double wo usu because nsemo na o ka no. We say Minister Martina say Bishop Minister Martina so young come on my name. So the explanation is ya double any Bishop Benanyako. Ya womo etai posti video eto ya double ni YouTube channel so. Na za video nim no ya double acted say we minister. Trese he's been interviewed by Bishop Benanyako ntina. Ya ko say Bishop Benanyako no play the role of a journalist. And ya double no we minister. And Bishop Benanyako no interview no more can on my moon sem. What you say? So that's the concept they were doing on YouTube. Na ya metahwe wo mu videos ni bi enye ni na mo ba na ya metahwe bi. Nti eno na ya double wo so a wo kan say Minister Martinez yo hwan na baby Sami asemu. Nti no for those who didn't understand, because when I posted it the first time no na ebi mo entiase say ya double so a wo so yi. So this is the explanation. Let's go and listen to Mercy Asiedun so when she heard it, how she was reacting. Extremely sad. Utia Yareho. Sharpway! Not Obiara Bishop way not serious.
It's a word Jeopardy. It was Kirby. And I will be a bishop. I did the power on the wall for man of any kind. Because if you are not the old fool, if you are not know what, now call not doors or the door. To bring here to the baby camera from a bishop. Family call. Just like that. It's me and your own dream, my God. Aisha.
It's here for Vivian Jill or no son no Ninua Bema Efrimu atrese atuno eno atune ni eye enisui eyare hosem I think I don't even know what to say. Sisi anso senior Ghana coronavirus into obviously senior na eya nkrofo be feel say yebeye ye no amano no. I don't know whether a family would like to wait until say ebia coronavirus no be kwansa na yaba be na, but and also a different matter wo I don't see a different matter. So that's what is coming through. Very sad. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment box below. For me, that's it.